kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite drinks and recipe. Anyway, this morning we make you a nice, lovely, fat burning drinks, which is really good. As you can see, the all kind of different ingredients which we use inside of it. We put garlic, which a lot of people doesn't like garlic, so you can make it up in drink and drink it also. It's just amazing with some sweet pepper, with the sweet jam lettuce. It's just amazing. So guys, give it a try and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe and ideas coming out where you can make drinks at home. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook like page, and also Google plus my cookbook online, 50% off. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. And lovely, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, this morning we want to make a nice lovely smoothie. It's gonna be a fat burning smoothie. You know, we have to stay healthy and also we have to look really healthy. Let's put that to the side like you guys can see. I got my Ninja blender right here, smoothie bottle, empty, nothing inside of it. First thing which I'm going to put in it is some spinach. I love spinach, guys, honestly. I love spinach. Just a little bit of spinach. Alright, as you can see, that's just a little bit of spinach, not too much. Second thing, I have garlic. I love garlic. I love garlic, guys. I don't know about anyone else, but garlic is very good for your body. And garlic do help you to lose weight. I got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm gonna simple. I'm gonna put just 1 big clove of garlic. Inside of it. Let's remove the shell from the outside. I'm gonna put this garlic in because it's a good blender. I can just chuck it straight inside of it like that. Lovely. This is just few slices of carrot. We're gonna put that straight inside of it also. And then piece of ginger, just a little piece straight inside of it. Very, very important with the ginger, guys. This is some ice. This is some sweet jam lettuce. This is the way the sweet jam lettuce look. We're gonna put some of this inside of it also. Let's put that at the side. All I have to do is just cut it up very small. Put this straight inside of it like that, as you can see. Lovely cucumber, there's a few slices of cucumber, as you can see, straight inside of it. You don't need too much. We're gonna put some fresh mint for flavor. Piece of yellow pepper. And piece of red pepper. Piece of green pepper also. We got the apple, gonna put just a little piece of a red apple inside of it. Then beetroot. You can see just a small beetroot. Just gonna simple cut it up straight inside of it. Then lemon juice. All of those flavor inside of it. Nice one. There's a lot of ingredients in it, guys. Then honey. 2 teaspoons of honey. What I want to simply say to you guys, when you're buying the honey, don't buy the one that have sugar in it. That's not good for you, yeah? Buy the natural honey. Because there's so many honey out there. Some of them is artificial. So always look for the artificial one and do not buy that one. Nice one. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pop a little bit of water in it. Natural water. Lovely. Then we're just gonna be blending this for 5 to 6 minutes. This is choose a morning breakfast. With this you can eat it with some almond or with apple. You can eat it with also a finger of banana. A lot of people say banana too sweet, but banana do build your immune system, which is really good for you also. So basically what we're gonna do is go back inside of it. Alright, sorry about that. We're gonna pop a piece of ice, 2 pieces of ice in it just to make it cool. Gonna blend this for a nice good 4 to 5 minutes. Nice. So just finish blend it. Let's get a check on it and see. Ah, smells really nice. Let's give it a taste. And also I can taste the garlic. Tastes really nice. Let's pour it in the glass. Really nice and beautiful. Cheers, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah. And the beauty is everything inside of it is natural. Honestly, everything is natural. Tasting the mint, tasting the ginger, tasting the pepper, and tasting the garlic. It's just beautiful because a lot of people doesn't like to eat garlic raw, so you can now mix it up into some juice. Really nice. Really nice. See? Beautiful and really nice. That's for my breakfast this morning. I'm not going to eat no cereal. No toast bread with butter. I'm just gonna be drinking this and eat a piece of a red apple right over here, and that will keep me until lunchtime. I'll have some salad. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my cooking show. As I said, all of these ingredients do works, and you know, it fills you up. It's just really good because all of these ingredients you do use them in cooking while you can use them in drinking. So guys, his amazing recipe. And thank you so much for watching my cooking show. This is our Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.